Hello, everyone. Happy teaching. All right. I just want to welcome everyone to the sixth cohort number. Actually, it's a combination. Let's call it 5.5 because there's some five guys who started in the beginning of the summer. They're going to finish a little bit earlier than everyone else. And then we have the official cohort 5 guys who started last Saturday. We went over introduction, actually 2 weeks, about the course. The last class was kind of an overview of just teaching and how the brain really works, and I like giving that class because it sets the tone to what we will talk about in the next 6 months. I have the intentions as the last 4 cohorts over the last 4 years of making it interesting for you, and more importantly, making it useful for you. Real world TESOL, I guess is appropriate terminology. Real world. For teachers that are already in the trenches. So with that being said, I don't want to take up a lot of your time on this video. I just want to talk about how the Google Plus community will work. I sent out an assignment yesterday, and let's just look at that very quickly. It says, just a reminder, and anytime I want to talk to you guys, I'll either talk to you guys via our WhatsApp group, or I'll talk to you guys via the mainly I try to really do everything through this community. So I just sent the assignment yesterday, just a reminder that this community is for TESOL. So anyone who's not in TESOL should not be in this group. This is a closed off, confidential, private group for paying TESOL folks. If you want to be in a public group, just join a PIA. So the assignment is, please review the prior summer responses and comments to at least 3 entries. Comments should be meaningful and thoughtful. All right. So what I mean by that is, I don't want you just writing, "Oh, great job, I like your video, good points." No, I want you to actually put some thought into it. At least 3 sentences of why you like it. Please be very sensitive in your responses. Don't be too critical. But if you see some points that you want to challenge, please challenge respectfully, as we are all in this together as colleagues. So if you see something that you want to kind of bring to task, please do it in a very kind and respectful and professional way. But I'm looking for meaningful responses. If I do not see meaningful responses, I will have you redo the activity again. The purpose is that, and if you remember what we talked about last week, there's a lot of value in reflective teaching. There's a lot of value in getting in what I call real-time professional development, and that's learning from each other, not sitting in the workshop. And to be honest with you, not even sitting in a TESOL course on a Saturday from 9 to 1. That real meaningful development, continuous education comes from our peers, and it also comes from our self-reflection. So that's what I'm trying to really encourage here, is that you guys look at each other's work, you guys challenge each other, you guys motivate each other, compliment when compliments are due, some critical analysis when critical analysis is due. So basically what I want you to do for this assignment is scroll down, look at the different entries, and there are a lot of entries to look at. And I want you to respond to any 3 of these entries. Okay, and give a meaningful response. You know, apply it to your personal teaching, your personal opinions, what you like, what could have been done better in your opinion, what your thoughts are about the video or the response of entry, you know, any challenges that you may want to have, any additions that you want to include in someone's response. Again, I'm looking for about 3 meaningful sentences. Okay, if you want to write more, that's great. But I don't want great job. Oh, I really like that video. That doesn't work. Okay, so that's all we have to do for this week. I look forward to seeing you guys next Saturday. We will start right on time, right at Dome. I'll have everything set up for you, and we'll hit it hard, 9 to 1, the first real module of the course. Just housekeeping issue. I always accept payments at the end of the course. Excuse me, at the end of this session. When at 9 o'clock, I'm about the business of making sure I give you guys good presentations, good instruction, good workshop. So we always take payment at the end. All right. If you have any questions, just WhatsApp me, or you can ask questions actually in this community. I will prefer that you ask questions in this community, so if other people have the same question, it will get answered. God bless you, and we will see you next Saturday, inshallah.